The long winter's almost over. Look at that grass. Wicked. In the back you can see the garden. I can see some dirt. Amazing. Can't wait. I am ready for summer. Man, it's gonna be so awesome to get in there, do all my planting, get ready to grow some food. It's gonna be wicked. Like summer's coming. It's practically here. You know what's cool? When you get a blizzard in the middle of April and you're supposed to get 2 to 3 feet of snow. Because that's what's happening here. My garden, never getting in. Probably never. It's probably gonna be here till June. Just kidding, it's not gonna be here till June. Yeah, we're at the start of a blizzard here, mid-April. So, when in Rome, might as well make the best of it. Try and ride through this part, but this is just too ungroomed for me. I let some air out of my tires, but just not enough here.
Struck down in the middle of it, I built up something to destroy. I dried out in a summer that I didn't know what I was waiting for. I fell down by the river, I was screaming just to hear a voice. The cold by the riverside, I was asleep into my very soul. I can't play with the pieces of a broken body. I can't play with the pieces of a broken body. Met the man of the midsummer dream. I was lonely, he was far from home. And in a stranger's embrace, you can feel all those things that you wish you could feel on your own. Ooh. was kneeling just to hear his voice. So he fell down beside me, and suddenly I wished I was all alone. Can't play with the pieces of a broken body. He said, don't play with the pieces of a broken body.
Well, I might not be getting ready to garden, but sure turned out to be a nice day. I could sit home and cry about it all I want, but in all reality, it's not going to change nothing, and there'll still be some snow on the ground, so I might as well enjoy it. Man, I can't believe it's the middle of April. I'm going to find a spot and have some tea.
I saw a glimpse of coloring, it knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in